This quick demo shows how easy it is to hire a delivery pro with GoShare. To get started, enter your pickup location. Next, enter the drop-off location for your project. If the delivery pro will be using an elevator or walking upstairs, please indicate here. You may continue from this point or enter an additional drop-off location. Now it is time to add the item information. If you added more than one drop-off location, you will be asked to indicate which location to drop each item off at. Photos are optional but encouraged. If you entered multiple drop-off locations, make sure to assign at least one piece of cargo per location. Use the Notes section to include any additional information that would be helpful for your delivery pro. Select the size of vehicle you'd like for your project. If the items are big and bulky and you're unable to assist the delivery pro, please add a helper. Select any special equipment or services you might need for your project. These are optional, so if none are needed, you can move on to the next step. Review all the details of your project. Once you're ready to order, agree to the terms and conditions. Hit Checkout to enter payment information and book your project. Most projects are matched with a delivery professional within 10 minutes. Once your project has been accepted, you can track the status of the dashboard. You will receive push notifications when your driver arrives, confirms and loads cargo, and completes the delivery. We value your feedback. When your project is complete, please rate your delivery pro. Select Invite Friends to share your personal promo code. Share a $10 promo code, plus earn $10 for every friend that successfully books a delivery.